Hi everyone, welcome to 5086 here at the Terra Hotel. Let me show you guys around. Here is 5086. So to start off, here in the room, right over here, you do have a connecting door. If you don't have this room, you don't have to worry about it. But if you don't have it, you can place some shoes and stuff right here. And then right here, you have this full-length mirror, which I love. Great for checking out your outfit before you go to the parks and stuff. And then here is the closet. You got a decent amount of space and storage here, and you also have an iron and an ironing board. You got some hangers, you also got a safe here, and then that is extra bedding stuff if you wanted it too. Here is your little thermostat. It's gonna help control the room. And then over here is the bathroom. So first off, you have your sink here, and you've got this mirror. I love all of the lights that they have in here. It's really helpful, especially when you doing your makeup or your hair and stuff like that. They have a blow dryer there. And then here is the shower, and the toilet is right over there. They do have shampoo and conditioner here, and they just have a bar of soap for the body wash. I like the wrapping of it. It's so cute. And then for the main room, here it is. I love the colors that they went with. I love this blue. It's very terrestrial, very space vibes. I love it. I love that this is just so cute. They also have this curtain right here that you can open or shut. I think it may let some light in, or maybe give you some privacy, or make it if you're getting ready in the morning and you have kids and don't want to have all the lights, but they do have that. So then over here you have a little coffee machine. You got some little condiments and an ice bucket. And then in here is the mini fridge. It's small, but I mean, you probably don't really need to store a whole ton, but it gives you some room. And then over here you have this whole thing filled with drawers, and they're actually pretty big. They're not too small. So you have 4 of these. They also have a phone right there. Oh, and they have tons of plugs, and this is cool because you can actually shut it, and then you can just pop it up. And then they have this little couch here, and then you have 2 queen beds. So you can fit 4 in this room. So you can fit 2 here and 2 there. I love all the lights that they've got going on. This one is so cute. And again, they have more plugs. It's perfect. I love the lighting. I mean, look at that. There's so much lighting in here compared to regular hotels. They've got ones there. They have that whole lighting. They have that, another light there, and they even have these really cute lights right here. So they've got lots of light. Now, oh, and there's your TV, by the way. That's what's playing in the background. The best part is this. I love the view from here. I'm actually not disappointed by it. I was unsure what to expect when I was over here because it's not the Helios, so you can't really see the park. I was we won't really be able to, but you actually can. Not perfectly, but you see right over there, I might be able to zoom in for you guys. Right over there is Epic Universe. The Helios Hotel is right there. I think you guys might be able to see that. But it's really nice, and I love that we get to look at the Stella Luna because I love all of the colors. It's so pretty. But yeah, and then you do have some curtains that you can shut. They have your regular blackout curtains, and then they have your shaded ones. But yeah, that is the tour of 5086. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and hopefully found it a bit helpful, and I will see you guys next time. Bye!